really love these little earbuds. Yesterday was the first time I got to use them. After filming Stephanie, I went to the gym later that afternoon. Just did a slight workout, about 50 push-ups. Well, what we did doesn't matter. We did a slight workout for us. Did the sauna, and I'll tell you what, afterwards, I felt amazing. The sauna has this does a really good job of kicking up the endorphins. But because of the gym, Stephanie and I last night could not sleep at all. Isn't that right, babe?
It's true.
We were up all night. Typically, we like to get to bed around 10:30-ish is probably the more accurate time that we actually get to sleep. But last night, we were up till 12:30, 1 o'clock. We're just restless. So restless. So I'm thinking we really need to start getting into the habit of going in the morning. That's my personally, that's my favorite time to go to the gym. I think it's Stephanie's too. What about you? Oh, and in case you're wondering, this morning I woke up, I was 192 pounds. And now it's 8 a.m. Markets start in about 30 minutes. And I don't know about you, but I'm excited. We got into 2 plays yesterday. Well, 3 plays. We lost 1 trade, but we were in Live Nation and Gap right now. I'm really curious, really excited, a little bit nervous to see how all that works out. Looking at the daily wrap, you can easily see why I'm personally excited for what the day brings. Here we're looking at Live Nation. We got a bullish engulfing candle. Gap. We have what I believe is called a harami. And Nike. We have, let's fix that. Nike. We have another bullish engulfing candle. I'm interested to see how Nike plays out. So I drew out the trend on the 15-minute graph. And I may sell if it breaks this line. The reason being is this right here is actually resistance. It's been strong in resistance for multiple days now. So I've been in this trade for about a month. So we'll see how it works out. It looks like it could break above, but it's a 9 candle. We don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Only time will tell. Hey, it is now 9:30. That means the hourly candle just closed, and the markets have been going a little crazy. We're down $3.18 on Live Nation. We're up $1.50 on Gap and $1.50 on Nike. We've been in Nike for a month, y'all, and it's finally broken over its resistance. It's trading at a 52-week high, and I'm excited. Even though Live Nation's kind of doing, but that's okay because we're still in a 2-hour uptrend, which means we could go up. But for me, even though we may lose Live Nation trade, it may lose $6 or whatever, I'm excited because right now it's not about how much money we make. It's about refining our strategy. So every time we make a trade, every time we evaluate one, we're one step closer. And it's exciting to me because, one, it's only 9:30 in the morning. And around 9:30, 10, there tends to be a reversal. People stop day trading around that time, and people start taking lunch. 2, we're one step closer to refining our strategy. And that's exciting to me. So exciting to me. It's almost 11 o'clock. What did I say? Around this time, lunchtime for traders, we tend to get a reversal. And look at this. Look at Live Nation. Back up. Look at this. We're still at a loss. It's still not going to be a runner or not going to move in our favor until it breaks above 72.55. Live Nation, along with Nike and Gap, are moving in our favor. Feels good. Feels good. Looks like we set a higher low on the 2 hour for Live Nation, so there's a good chance. Hopefully this $72 support holds. I'm excited. So excited. It's now 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. And we just went on a little bit of run for Live Nation. Popped up above 72.80. Everything else is still trading positive. Those Nike and Gap I'm not really worried about. I'm just keeping an eye on Live Nation. We're getting a little bit of correction, which is to be expected, because if it's 1 o'clock for us, which is around lunchtime for us, means it's around lunchtime for everyone heading to the West. So we can expect a lot of people to get out of the market. That's okay. A little bit correction is all right. But we're just going to enjoy our lunch. We eating healthy, right? Peanut butter sandwiches.
Cheap.
We're eating on a budget right now. But I'll check in with you guys in a couple of hours and see how the markets play out. All right, it's 3 p.m. The market is closed. Right now we're in Nike. It broke above that resistance that we've been fighting for about a month now. And at the close of the day, we have kind of a reversal candle. I believe it's called a falling star. So hopefully tomorrow we can get a little bit more run on that though. The Gap, we're doing well. Just a small increase from the previous day. On both Nike and Gap, we're up about 1%. And on Live Nation, we're up about a 20th of percent. We're basically at our break-even point. But with Live Nation, though, I have a lot more confidence with this trade. Specifically because I got in a little bit early yesterday. And this may hurt me in the long run. The reason is we had the break above resistance and I should have waited for the pullback. If we would have waited for the pullback, I would have saved about 20 cents on the stop loss, which means I could have brought that stop loss up about 20 cents and I would have been able to drop my take profits down about 40 cents. Hopefully the trade still plays out. I believe it can. We're well below the resistance line of the next trade. But yeah, heading in tomorrow, I'm confident, I'm excited. But I started reading this book. It's called The Essays of Warren Buffett, right here. And while I was reading it, I came across this quote, and I want to know what you guys think of it. It is, let me find this. The wise do in the beginning, fools do in the end. What the wise do in the beginning, fools do in the end. What do you think that means? What does that mean to you? I'll tell you guys what I think tomorrow. But we had good news today. Something very exciting. We just got a large order for a store to hold the candles. So today I'm going to take a little bit of a break. But tonight we're making some candles, guys. But I feel like I've taken enough of your day today. So if you don't mind, answer that question below. What does the wise do in the beginning, the fool does in the end? What does that mean to you? While you're down there, hit the like button, subscribe, stay positive, and don't forget to do amazing things.